Get up, girl. Go take your vitamins and get to work. Quick yoga mat sesh, quick booty pump, side lunge, fam. We need that. Is your space even clean? Laundry over there looking like Kilimanjaro. Let's take a minute to tidy up. No judgment, just saying.
Here's what I know, that dream that you're holding in your mind, that it's possible. Let's say that together, please. Say, it's possible.
Happiness is literally your birthright. Stay focused and focus on yourself. You deserve to be happy. You can never lose, even your L's or wins. You can do anything. Bet on you. You're the best. And don't let anyone sway you this way or that way. You know what's best for yourself. Vibe high and seek positivity. Transform that energy into something beneficial. Be your own best friend. Dare to say, I love myself. I deserve happiness. Forward and upward, that's the only way to keep moving. Know that the light at the end of the tunnel is you, fam. Take care of yourself first. Set yourself up for success first. Dream big. Who knows? It's Operation You versus you. That's an automatic win. You are amazing. Continue to be amazing. Continue to show love and compassion for yourself and others. You're beautiful and lovable just the way you are. Your kindness shines like the sun, and grace spreads like a flood, and your willingness can carve mountains. Set yourself free. You didn't come this far to only come this far. Choose you. Like and subscribe.